struggling to get your brand and getting on Amazon. So most sellers fail because they submit wrong distributor letter. So in this video, I will tell you what Amazon accepts in 2025 exactly. So before explaining it, let me show you a live submission and brand and getting procedure with correct letters so that you will know what I'm telling you is useful for you. Let us go. Okay, so this is the store. This is Confico. And so we have its invoice ready with us. Let me show you the letter of authorization first. So this is the letter of authorization. So this is under my company name. So I'm the authorized distributor. So I'll be using my letter of authorization and my invoice on that Confico LLC name and submit it for ungating. So let me show you on Amazon. So this is the product we are going to ungate. And now, so this is what they required. They required an invoice of 10 units. We have already an invoice of 100 units ready on like my company name. Let me show you. This is the invoice. This is the company name and this is the quantity. This is the item which we are going to ungate now. This brand, big brand. Okay, so now here I need to submit an invoice and letter of authorization. First of all, I will submit the invoice. Then I will submit a letter of authorization. Let me rename the invoice because it says who invoice. That is not good. Rename and just remove everything and say Confico. And now delete it, select. Now I'm going to submit the letter of authorization I have. So here is the letter of authorization. I've submitted the letter of authorization. Now I'm going to submit and it will get ungated. We will show you after a few minutes after the video. So now we will check this after a few minutes. So what is a letter of authorization? Basically, letter of authorization is an official you can say access to brand on their official letterhead of distributor. So that letter of authorization includes business name, your business name, brand name, products allowed, authorized seller confirmation, and it must be signed and signed by that company representative. So common mistakes usually sellers make, they use generic letters or templates. They miss required information. They just say that this is a letter of authorization. So that is wrong. So they make letter of authorization which is outdated, like expired. There is no date mentioned and when will it get expired. So letters not matching your Amazon account for you. Your account is on Confico LLC and you're getting a letter on your personal name or address. So that's wrong. So how to verify your supplier? Contact your distributor directly. Just ask him the letter of authenticity. If he does not have it, then it means that he's not authorized to sell that brand. So keep invoice records and POs always ready. Ensure letter matches your ASIN you are applying to. So submission process, as I shown you, just you log into Amazon Seller Central, just click add products, select the product, like put the ASIN, and then you will say apply for sale like this. Apply for sale, and then after applying for sale, you will go to the next page, which says submit letter of authorization and invoice. And then on that page, you will submit letter of authorization invoice, and that's how you will you can say apply for brand ungating, and then afterwards you need to wait 72 to 24 to 72 hours. Preventing rejection. So double check letter formatting and info, include supplier contact info, follow Amazon 2025 policy updates. Optional, keep multiple approved letters from different distributors so that you can ungate a category or brand very easily. So this is letter of authorization. This is the brand details, address, and everything here. This is the date when it was issued. So this is called authorization letter. This is the brand name. This is my company name. These are the products which I am authorized for. And then afterward, this is the main thing. The validation of this authorization. That this is valid till June 2026. So it is active. And this is the signature and approval of that brand. So this is how a letter of authorization is usually created. So this is from Brand Direct. I have not created it myself. So now let's go to the store and let's see which we have applied. It got ungated or not. So we will go to view selling applications. You see here, it got approved. So this is because our letter of authorization and our products were real and our invoice was real. So that is why it got approved. Now I will refresh the page to show you. if it allows us to sell it. Say this. It allows us to create the listing now. So this brand is successfully ungated on the store. You can see here. So that is about that for authorization. If you need help in anything in getting a brand, you can tell me in comments. And secondly, please like and subscribe my channel so that I can post more videos like this, and we can keep this going good. And I will be preparing only exact videos, no rough data and nothing else.